Hello, it's Juha Kurvinen from Finland and FinSkill, and hey, it's still Monday Madness, and you can save over $600. And this offer is valid today until midnight Central Time Zone. And I'm here because I want to tell you what this Monday Madness offer means. And now it's the best time if you want to start to use List Infinity, if you want to start any side hustle and you want to start to make passive income. Now it's the right moment because you will save a lot of money and you will get my support. So you will get 3 bonuses. Bonus number 1, List Infinity full setup service, 4 hours worth of $497, and I will do that. And what is List Infinity? After 4 years testing many systems, in my opinion, List Infinity is right now the fastest way to make 100% commissions instantly to your PayPal and Stripe and start to make own real online business. And it's really beginner friendly, and also 50% of my customers are professional affiliate marketers, because you can also promote your main offers inside back office. And then number 2, bonus number 2, you get Roadmap to Success ebook worth of $97. And this was eye-opener to me. It's really simple, step-by-step ebook where every tool and every steps what you need to make success with List Infinity or any other program, how to get leads, how to get traffic, and what tools you really need. Bonus number 3, fast action guide ebook worth of $17. So 3 of these bonus, and whole point here is let me help you and set up List Infinity 100% the right way to maximize your results. And why? We have 2 Facebook private groups, and when I share my results and many people ask my help, what is my secret to get fast results, I wanted to help them, and I see that many people make those basic settings wrong way and they don't know or they don't have time. So my first customer here, Aileen, she made a review, honest review about my setup service. You can click the link there and check out what Aileen want to say. It's just 1 minute 27 seconds, and she had oh, battery is almost finished. All right, this is funny. Let's see. Do we need to charge? Anyway, what my List Infinity setup and this Monday Madness offer will include. First of all, I will make all basic setup in List Infinity, and I will connect your PayPal or Stripe or both. I will connect List Infinity to LeadsLeap. LeadsLeap is one of the best tools for any online marketer. You get traffic for free, Autoresponder for free, every tool what you need. And if you use any other autoresponder, you have to pay hundreds of dollars. But LeadsLeap is always just $19. And also traffic is included. You get 10 Pro ads. I will create email list and connect SendSteed Autoresponder to List Infinity. And I will import 30 professional ready-made emails to use SendSteed Autoresponder. What is really important, because 80% of the money is inside our email list. And that list is amazing because you can always help and promote any make money online niche products to your list when it's ready. I will create 10 Pro ads inside LeadsLeap, and it's amazing. Now I get in every month about 6,000 new visitors to my offers. And we can think that the List Infinity is like a Ferrari or Lamborghini about making 100% commissions. But if we don't have petrol, if we don't have gasoline in our tank, our car is not moving. And in online business, that gasoline is traffic and visitors. If no traffic and visitors, business is zero. So that's why I will create 10 professional ads for you. After all this setup is ready, I will double check everything is working. And here is your second bonus, roadmap to success. Amazing tool where every step's what you need to make. And if you order any other day, the real price is $497 and the beta testing price $197. But until midnight, the central time zone, free for you, zero. Here you can see once again what this is including, and here is terms of service, what you need to do to claim all your bonuses. Only thing what you need to do is to open LeadsLeap PRO, what is $100 one-time fee. And it's amazing because when you pay that investment, it's not the cost. Everybody think something is cost. No, it's an investment because you can sell it again and again and again. It's your own business, what you own. And then you need LeadsLeap PRO, what we need anyway. It's amazing that nowadays we can run our own business just by $19 per month, and there is no any other expenses or investments to do. And here is all other terms of service. And yeah, now we don't have any excuse to start. If you want to start any passive income, extra income, online business, semi-passive extra income, now it's the right time because you get my help and you will save a lot of money and get these 3 bonuses. And you can click the link in this video, claim your bonuses, and you come to this page, check what Aileen is saying, and then just click here to claim all your bonuses. You can click this, and that goes directly to the List Infinity site, and you can check all about that. And we can click here and let's see, do we still have fast or slow internet? Yeah. So the List Infinity is the viral list building system that pays you 100% commissions, and it's amazing because before I was in some programs that even I get results, I have to wait 1 month or 2 months. It doesn't motivate at all. And here you get instant commissions, what means many other things. It's not just about money, but it's when you get results, you can reinvest that profit to, for example, 20% to new fresh traffic, and then you can get snowball effect. So you can check out List Infinity. Here is some from our group. Hundreds of people are sharing their results and making $100 a day, and it's some people never make any money if they don't know what actions to do, and that's why that ebook roadmap to success is really important. And some people make really serious money with List Infinity. They can make $100 or $300 a day. It's just secret is you know what to do, but you can see here everybody sharing amazing results. And yeah, I'm here to help, and thanks for watching. And hey, this is Monday Madness, Juha Kurvinen from Finland, and enjoy your week. And if you have any questions, please ask from the comments. And yeah, also Halloween coming. Have a nice Halloween and see you later, alligator.